Okay, I changed the battery on my Acura TL. So for navigation, it asks for a code to unlock the system, the radio and the navigation. So the numbers are usually in the glove compartment side, the labels that you see on the stickers on the side. So I'm gonna put in the first number, which is so on pin. So it's probably the second number 1. No, it's not. It should only be a 4. No, pin. So okay. So it's actually the second. So after setting up the putting in the access code for the navigation, now the radio doesn't work. So it's asking for a code right there. So let's see, radio. So I think it's the first number, the first sticker. So you press the numbers here in the bottom. So it's 3, 3. So that's it. That's how you start your radio again after putting in a new battery in your Acura TL. Thanks. Thank you for watching.